Cheetahs are often misunderstood, with a myriad of misconceptions surrounding them. Some people mistakenly believe them to be as dangerous as lions or leopards, requiring the same level of fear or caution. While they can be dangerous, especially in captivity, cheetahs are not as aggressive toward humans as some of their larger cousins. However, the notion that they are friendly and won't harm humans is equally flawed. In captivity, cheetahs are mostly stressed, making them unpredictable and even more dangerous. Another misconception is that cheetahs are solitary animals. While females do typically live alone, males often form coalitions, usually with their brothers, to better protect their territory and improve their hunting success. These coalitions showcase the strength and cooperation that these cats are capable of, countering the belief that they are weak or fragile animals. For their size and build, they perform incredible feats of speed and agility, often taking on prey much bigger than themselves. Contrary to popular belief, cheetahs do not exclusively hunt during the day. While females with cubs tend to avoid nighttime hunts to protect their young, many take advantage of darkness for their hunt. Additionally, the idea that cheetahs abandon high-speed chases due to overheating is not always accurate. Recent studies have proven that they do sometimes stop their pursuits due to other factors, such as the prey's evasive maneuvers. Another myth is that cheetahs are not considered big cats because they cannot roar. Roaring is not the defining characteristic of big cats, and cheetahs, despite their inability to roar, are indeed part of this group. They are also not as timid as often portrayed. They have been known to stand their ground against other predators like wild dogs, leopards, and hyenas when necessary. They do climb trees and are quite agile, contradicting the belief that they are strictly ground dwellers. Despite their elegance and speed, cheetahs do not make good pets. Their high levels of stress in captivity lead to significant reproductive issues, with many females unable to conceive, or when they do, they often produce single offspring and may even reject their cubs. Moreover, the belief that cheetahs are not aggressive is misleading. While not as dangerous as lions or leopards, cheetahs can be aggressive, particularly males who may kill rival males. Finally, there is a dangerous misconception that cheetahs' speed somehow makes them invincible. In reality, cheetahs are vulnerable to larger predators like lions and leopards, who often take advantage of moments when they are distracted by their kill or are resting. This vulnerability, combined with habitat loss and human conflict, means that cheetah populations are declining rapidly. The possibility that future generations may never see a wild cheetah is very real.